Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Welcome back to preschool. I am so excited to have you guys back. And I'm glad that you're doing this from home because this is really fun for me to record it. And it's really fun for me to think that you guys are at home doing this with your moms and dads and brothers and sisters. So thank you for doing this. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started right away. We're going to take our right hand and we're going to place it on our heart. And we're going to look up at my flag and do our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Good job. Okay, so guess what? This day right here, today, is a really big number. Do you guys see how big that number is? That is the number 31. Did you know that that is the biggest number that you can have in a month? There are no months in the whole year that have a 32. They stop at 31. Some stop at 30, some stop at 29 or 28. But 31 is the biggest number you could have in a month. So March has 31 days, okay? And we're going to count up to that really, really big number. Are you guys ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Good job. So today is Tuesday, March 31 or 31st. Good job. Now tomorrow when you guys come to school, it's going to be a new month because this is the last day of March. So it's going to switch over to the next month. Do you guys know what the next month is going to be after March? January, February, March, and did you say April? Good. Tomorrow is going to be April 1st. So, but it's going to be up here. All right. Good job. Let's sing our days of the week. First, we're going to do it in English, and then we're going to do it in Spanish. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Domingo, Lunes, Martes, Miércoles, Jueves, Viernes, Sábado. Good job. All right. Now, this is a brand new week, so we have new things that we're going to learn this week. So some of the things are a review. The shape that we're doing this week is a review. Do you guys remember what this is called? Now this is a little confusing because last week we did an octagon, and an octagon has 8 sides. This shape has 6. Do you remember the trick that I taught you? If it has an X in it, 6, and hex, they kind of sound the same because they both have an X. 6, hex. So this is a hexagon, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. There you go, hexagon. And we've done this before, but sometimes hexagon, pentagon, and octagon are a little confusing. So 6 sides is hexagon. Good job. Okay, our number for this week is this number. This is the number, do you know? 19. A 1 and a 9 together equals or makes the number 19. All right, good job. Now, our letters for this week are lowercase letters, and we're going to do 3 different letters, okay? So, who knows what this letter is? Look at this and see if you can tell me what letter this is. This is the lowercase H. What sound does the H make? Ha. Good. The H says ha. The H says ha. Every letter makes a sound. The H says ha. Good. Okay, what about this letter? Do you guys know what this one is? This is a lowercase letter as well. This is the letter G. Can you guys say G? Good. What sound does G make? Did you say G? Good. The G says G. The G says G. Every letter makes a sound. The G says G. Good. Okay, one more. What letter is this? This is a lowercase letter, and it is the letter I. Good. And what does the I say? It says I. Good. So let's sing our song. The I says I. The I says I. Every letter makes a sound. The I says I. Good. All right, so we have H, G, and I. Good. All right, we're going to review these this week. Okay, now our color is a color we've done a whole bunch of times. Do you guys remember this color? This is the color black. Good job. And what is black in sign language? Good. Did you guys do this? Black. Perfect. Good job, guys. Okay, now this week we are learning about a word called, the word is emotions. Can you guys say emotions? Emotions. Good. That's a really big word. And you know what that word means? That means all of the different feelings that we have. So if you are happy, that is an emotion. If you are sad, that's an emotion. Okay? That's what an emotion is. If you're feeling happy or sad or scared or angry, those are all emotions. And we're going to learn a lot about that this week. Okay? Now, right now, I'm going to teach you guys a song. Some of you might already know it. And this is called If You Chance to Meet a Frown. Okay? Or at least that's what I'm calling it. I don't know if that's what it's really called. Okay. Do you see my little frowny face here? That's how we're going to start. Everybody make a frowny face. Okay, ready? Here we go. If you chance to meet a frown, do not let it stay. Quickly turn it upside down and smile that frown away. No one likes a frowny face. Change it for a smile. Make the world a better place by smiling all the while. Good. And if you want, you can have your mommies rewind this video and you can practice this a bunch of times. It's really fun. And you can do it with your different voices. You could sing it once with your cowboy voice, and you could sing it with your princess voice, and you could sing it really loud, or you could sing it really soft. Okay? So rewind it a couple times and practice frowning and smiling when you sing it. All right? Good job, guys. Okay, it's worksheet time. So get out your folder and look for the packet that says March 31st to April 2nd. You're going to grab that packet and look for your worksheet. Okay, the first worksheet you're going to grab is the one that has the ladybugs on it. And at the top it says count the spots. So your directions for this are count the spots on each bug, and then in each box circle the correct number. So for this ladybug here, you're going to count his spots. How many spots does he have on his back? 1, 2. Now, look down here and try to find the number 2 and circle it. Okay, that's what you're going to do for that worksheet. And then once you do that one, you're going to move on to number 2 and then keep going until you finish the whole thing. And don't forget to write your name at the very top. Okay, your next worksheet is going to be this one. And this one is kind of fun. You're going to need crayons. And first you're going to start by writing your name right up here at the top. Okay, now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to look at all of these different faces. And each one is a different emotion. So you might need your help from your mommies or daddies or even an older brother or sister. So first you're going to color all of the cute little faces, okay? And then with a mom or dad or brother or sister, find somebody that you can practice these emotions with, okay? So they can point to one and you could say, okay, that one looks, what does he look? If you can read, you could sound out the word happy. He's happy. So you're going to show whoever is helping you a happy face, your very best happy face. Then move to the next one. What does he look like? See if you can sound that out. Sad. Sad. He's sad. So you're going to show your very worst sad face. Well, your very best sad face. And then you're just going to keep going, okay? And you're going to do, this one's angry. This one is scared. That one is shy, confident, surprised, ashamed, disgusted, exhausted, confused, and bored. And I'm guessing, if I had to ask your moms, they would say, you guys have used this word a lot. I'm bored. And I bet if I asked your moms, they would say, I'm exhausted. So make each one of those faces and practice those. And don't forget your name at the top. Okay, your last worksheet is going to be this one. That is a hexagon. You can either put it this way or you can put it this way. Now, attached to this worksheet were a whole stack of little, what shape is this? Do you guys remember what shape this is? And what shape is inside of the hexagon? Those are triangles. So if a hexagon has 6 sides, then how many triangles can you put in here to make a hexagon? You're going to count, and you can just place them on there if you'd like. You can just lay it down and place them on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you could place them on there and make a cool pattern, or you can glue them on there if you want to make it permanent. But if you want to take them off and mess with it a little and then redo it, you can. So you can either just set them on there or you can glue it on there. So that is a hexagon with 6 sides. And, cool trick, 6 triangles make up a hexagon. These are our emotion eggs. You guys should have these in your craft bag or in the bag that your mom picked up when she picked up your folder. These are fun little eggs that you can look at and mix up and make faces with. So you can mix up the colors and give them different faces and then try to decide what face that they are. So, for example, this guy, what would you say he is? He could be happy or maybe a little bit surprised. What about this guy here? Well, I would say he's probably pretty sad. What about this guy? Oh, that guy definitely looks surprised, doesn't he? And then what about this guy over here? Ooh, he definitely looks angry or grumpy, doesn't he? And then if you switch the bottoms and the tops, then you can make a different face. So those are your fun craft for this week. Normally I would have had you guys draw the faces on these, but I wasn't sure if you had markers. So I went ahead and drew the faces on, and you guys can just play with them all week and do all the different emotions. Okay, let's review our board, okay, as if we were doing snack time. All right, what letters are these over here? G says G. H says H. And I says I. Good. Okay, what shape is this? Remember, it has 6 sides. Good, it's a hexagon. Okay, and what color is this? Black. Good job. Okay, and what number is this? 19. Good. Okay, and for the students in the afternoon class, here's our 3 words for the week, our sight words, okay? This one here is pretty easy because it is also the letter. It's the letter A, and it's the word A. So that's a little bit confusing, but if I was going to say a man went for a run, that is the word a. So if you just see the letter A by itself in a sentence, it's the word a. A man went for a run. Okay, your next word, you guys should know this because we've done it before, is the word the. The. Good job. Okay, and then our last word right here, I just gave you the answer, is the word here. Here. So you could say, here is that candy I promised you. Here is the candy I promised you. It's different than the word hear as in I can hear with my ears. That is a different spelling. This one is here as in here is the candy I promised you. All right, so we have a, the, here. Good. Okay, up on our bulletin board for this week, we have a new poster, and it says at the top, how do you feel today? So if you would have been here in the classroom, I would have gone through during snack time and asked each of you, how do you feel today? So you guys can do this from home. I want you to look at the poster and look at all the different emotions. Happy, sad, angry, scared, silly, excited, surprised, shy, and embarrassed. Okay, I want you to look at all of those and I want you to pick, how do you feel today? And pick one of those.